what should I do when my Amazon PPC campaigns keep running out of budget? We do need to identify the reason why. Now, some of the time when it comes down to it, what I'm saying, budget is basically, it's going to allow you to spend a certain amount of money on campaigns. Now, sometimes if these campaigns are not properly tamed, it can spend more than you would want to. So sometimes the budget is going to run out just because your CPC is way too high, and that's the reason why, right? Another reason why it can be is because the traffic that you have for those campaigns is not well targeted, hence you're going to get many clicks, no sales. However, if it's running out of budget, actually we like to see that as a good thing, and whenever we're creating campaigns we would not allocate more than $20 budget for that. Why? It's because if we see that the company is running out of budget, and say this is the first day, right? And the first day you might not get attribution. So there's going to be an attribution lag of at least 2 to 3 business days. And once that we're logging back in, even if one day, if best, that it's going to showcase how much can I achieve with this campaign once that it's running out, right? And that is a good thing, because if, say, this campaign is bringing you sales, but at 100% A cost, you're not going to dedicate spend or allocate spend from the campaigns already work well, because Amazon, how it works is really based on relevancy and your bids submitted. Amazon considers that they're like high enough for you to get clicks. So this can mean if you're creating 10 campaigns and say that you're creating for each campaign $20 budget, there can be campaigns that are never going to consume for that budget. That can be also campaigns that are going to max out your budget. So this is why it's actually important. What we would do here specifically, if the A cost is high with orders but no blow up really, it could be a bid placement SDR issue, not a budget cut. And that's also important for us to know, because otherwise we're just going to look into the wrong places.